欢迎光临到石榴叶。石榴叶是我们今天要学习的那个页面。今天我们要说有关这个图片，然后 point 指一指我们看到什么东西。以后我们接下来会继续学习有关这些东西的东西。Hi, everybody. Let's talk about the picture and point. Okay, it looks like we can basically say whatever we want here. This is a good activity for you to do as homework in the group. All right, so talk about the picture, point to what you see. I'm seeing okay, she's got a black hat. Who's got a black hat? She's got a black hat. This is the ringmaster. She's like the boss of the whole circus. He is riding a bike. Do you see anybody who is riding a bike? I do. He has green hair. And he is riding an unusual bike. Unusual is like, 奇怪. This bike only has one wheel. It's called a unicycle. Uni means one. So cycle is like, it's like a bike. So unicycle means one-wheeled bike. Can you ride a unicycle? I cannot, but I'd like to try. I think it could be fun. What else can we talk about in this picture? I see people wearing costumes. Do you see people wearing costumes? I see somebody wearing a tiger costume. Somebody wearing a, what is that? A skunk? A skunk is a stinky, like rabbit kind of thing. And it looks like this. She's got a skunk costume. He's got a tiger costume. He's got a clown costume. He's got a clown costume. I don't think clowns are funny. Do you think clowns are funny? I don't think clowns are funny at all. I don't even think they're a little bit funny. What about you? I do think unicycles are cool. I do like sharks. This boy's like, I like clapping my hands. This guy's like, I have a stomachache. Oh no. I pooped my pants. Who are these people? These people are the audience. They're watching. The audience, or the spectators. This guy is walking do you remember what this is called? That is called a tightrope because it's so tight. Tight means 很紧, tightrope. 一个紧的绳子. Bro, if you fall off, you're not gonna get hurt. It's like 1 meter high. Look. It's like 1 meter high. Do you even need the pillows? Look at the picture and choose the correct word. The clown with the toy plane is what? Walking, skipping, or dancing? Clown with the toy plane. He has a clock. He has a toy plane. The clown with the toy plane is walking, skipping, or dancing. He is walking on a tightrope. One hat is black and one hat is yellow, pink, or green. Black hat, pink hat. These are so easy. One of the children has got what kind of an animal? Children has got a rabbit. Just kidding, it's a rabbit. Got a rabbit toy, a stuffed rabbit. Look at the picture and complete the sentences. What's the boy doing? He's... What boy? This boy? He's clapping. This boy? He's watching the circus. This boy? He's watching the circus too. This boy? He's being a clown. This boy? He's being a clown. This boy? He is juggling. Juggling is throwing lots of things in the air at the same time. He is juggling on a unicycle. He is juggling on a unicycle. The small clown is, I'm assuming this is the small clown. He is walking with a clock. He is walking with a clock, walking while holding a clock. The man in the white shirt is laughing. He is laughing. Write 2 sentences about the picture. Okay. You can write your own 2 sentences about the picture. My sentence is the clown is safe because he is not high. High means gao. He is not high. Write 2 sentences. I get one more. Why does that clown have a clock? What is he doing? Those are my sentences. What are your sentences? Write me some sentences. Send them into the group. Say 2 more things about this picture. Holy moly, how many things am I gonna have to say? I like hula hoops. These are hula hoops. Let's see what else we got here. The girl has long hair. The boy has crazy hair. And the clowns have stupid hair. The skunk girl has really cool hair. Let us go to the activity book. Do some activities. Look and read and write. All right. Read and write. Okay, so I guess we're basically just gonna do these. This looks pretty easy. Okay, look at the pictures. We're gonna look at these examples. The party food is on the... Where is the party food? The party food is on the table. The party food is on the table. Wow, this party is very healthy. The party food is apples, carrots, and French fries. I like French fries. And juice, of course. This guy's like... Zzz, 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 ah, zzz, zzz. Stop electrocuting me. This girl is like, oopsies. This cup is like, wee, wee. I can fly. What is the pirate climbing on? The pirate is climbing on the sofa. You can say sofa or you could say couch. Sometimes people call it a couch. All right, let's complete these sentences too. The girl between the cat and the table is dressed up as a, okay? The girl between the cat and the table. I see a cat. I see a table. Who's between them? This girl. What is she dressed up as? She is dressed up as a clown. Number 2. Stop the video. Do it yourself if you haven't already. There are some sandwiches on a... Where are the sandwiches? Here they are. They're on a mom. There are some sandwiches on a mom. But actually, what is this thing? A panza is called a tray. T-R-A-Y. A tray. You could write plate. You could say there are some sandwiches on a tray. A tray is a big plate. You could say on a plate. You could even say on a dish. You could basically say whatever you want. Next question. What is the boy with the green costume doing? Okay, let's check it out. Where is the boy with the green costume? Everybody is wearing a costume. This is the boy with the green costume. What's he doing? He is fighting. They are angry. They're fighting. Punch. Oh. They are fighting. He's kicking. Kick. Punch. They are fighting. They are probably dancing, though. Probably just dancing. What is falling off the chair? Falling. What is falling off the chair? This cup is falling off the chair. Oh no, my juice. Oh. Mom is gonna be mad. Hey, no juice on the floor. What is falling off the chair? The cup is falling off the chair. Now write 2 sentences about the picture. All right, I'm gonna write 2 sentences about the picture. This looks like a really fun party. I want to go. That is too many sandwiches. They can't eat all those sandwiches. This is a fun game. Read the instructions, play the game. Roll the dice, and then on the green squares, say the word. On the question mark squares, answer the question on the card. What card? There's a card? Is there a card? I don't see a card. Go up the ladder, go down the rope. That's weird. I don't see any cards. All right. Instead of doing that, we are going to watch a really cool video and use our English to describe what's happening. What can you see? I can see a mountain, a high mountain. All right. And the top of the mountain is called a peak. What's that? I think this is somebody's legs, and they're sticking out of the snow. This is a rescue mission. Rescue means Jiu tada ming, tamanzai Jiu tada ming. They're going to rescue him. They're going to, they put the guy, they put him on a board. They tied him up. Tied means jia bangla. And they are going back into the helicopter. Hope nothing goes wrong. What did it do? It fell off the mountain. Is that good? It's a snowstorm. Snowstorm. We have had so much fun today. I think it's about time to call it a day. I will see y'all in the next one. Thank you, guys.